We have been learning that EE makes the E sound and goes E, E, E. We have also learned that EA is another way to make E say its name and go E, E, E. And finally, there's another way that we're going to look at today, and sometimes E by itself just says E. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to read some words and I'm going to sort them from EE, EA, and E. So this first word I'm going to read, and when I see EE, I'm going to read it as E. Eed. And I'm going to sort it under EE because EE is one way to make E say its name. Here's another word, and it has EA in it. And when I come to EA, I'm going to read it as E. Eat, cleat. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to sort that under EA because I see that EA is making eat the E sound. Here's another word, and when I come to E by itself, I'm going to try reading it as E. E-turn, return. So this is an example of a word where E by itself makes the E sound. So I'm going to sort it under here because it's just E by itself. Here's another word that you may know from our word wall. E, she. E is by itself making the E sound, so I'm going to sort it over here under E. When I go to read this next word, I see EE, and when I come to that, I'm going to read it as E. Eel, wheel. And I'm going to sort it under EE because that is what's making the E sound in wheel. Here's another word I'm going to read. Jeep. And I'm going to go ahead and sort it under EE because I see that EE is making the E sound in this word. Here's my next word, and when I come to EA, I'm going to read it as E. Eat, heat. I'm going to sort it under EA because that's what's making the E sound. Sleep, sleep. I see that EE is making the E sound in this word, so I'm going to sort it under here, under EE, sleep. This next word you might know from our word wall also. E, he. I'm going to sort it under just E because E by itself can also make the E sound. Eat, wheat. When I came to EA, I read it as E because EA can make the E sound. Here's another word I'm going to read, and I see EA. So when I come to that, I'm going to read it as E. Ear, here. That one doesn't sound quite as much like E, but it's going to make more sense than if I would read it as air. So this word is here. And I'm going to sort it under EA. And this next word, when I come to E by itself, I'm going to try the E sound. E-fix, prefix. And I'm going to sort it under E by itself because E by itself can make the E sound. So this is what you're going to be doing, is you're going to be doing your own sort. And I want you to read the words, try to as best as you can, and then sort them under EE, EA, or E. And then when you're all done, I want you to read through your list one more time. So under EE we have seed, wheel, Jeep, and sleep. Under EA we have cleat, heat, wheat, and here. Under E, return, she, he, prefix. Now, if you can't read all the words, do your best, do the best that you can, and I want you to remember that when you see EE, one of the sounds that it can make is E. EA can make the E sound, and E by itself can make the E sound.